shit like I chose medicine. But they wanna just ignore me like I'm not. It's okay, cause it is what it is. I still can't make it.